Good morning, you weirdos. What's going on, guys? What's going on? All right, so had a little bit of bad news on the CPI this morning. Market turned red, but it's suddenly rebounding pretty quickly all of a sudden out of nowhere. So let's have a look at what the heck happened and why are we rebounding. So Jasmy up actually 4.2% on the hour, even on the day. Uh, we are down 3% on the week, 22.4 on the month, but we're up 283% on the year. Rank 75, $1.09 billion market cap, 79 million in volume, guys. Volume once again gross across the whole board. XCN up 2.9% on the day, down 23.5 on the week, up 827 on the month, and up 1,271 on the year. Down one spot in rank to 97. A $751 million market cap and 223 million in volume. Swift Coin, a little bit of a rebound here on Swift Coin, guys. Up 10.2% on the day, up 12.7 on the hour, down 23.4 on the week, up 301 on the month, and up 674 on the year. We're up 13 spots in rank to 220. We got 231 million in market cap and 47 million in volume. The volume has more than doubled overnight, so that's good. You love to see that. Let's go have a look at some charts. First, we'll have a look at Jasmy. Again, guys, nothing changed. Still inside of our bullish structure here. We seem to be holding this level here at 2 cents 13029 for a level of support. But look at this sideways action, almost exactly the same as Bitcoin's, just sideways grinding, doing absolutely nothing because there's no volume. There's no volume in the market right now, guys, none whatsoever. So it's going to continue to be that way till we start to get some volume, guys. This morning was not the best news with CPI. I mean, it basically what it does is it pushes the potential of quantitative easing back. So, I mean, we'll have to see what happens, right? Going over to XCN's chart. What do we got going on here? Perfect bounce inside of this, call it a bull flag, call it a falling wedge pattern, descending channel, whatever you want to call it, man. It looks good. Back up to 2 cents 31633. Nice bullish encompassing candle here for the most part, right? Quick recovery, bounce, found support down at 2 cents even, and away we go back up to the upside here, guys. So bullish structure, just like Jasmy, very bullish structure. Things look good. Here's the thing: despite the fact that the sentiment in the market sucks, and it seems like we're just red every day and stuff, all of these altcoins are in bullish structures right now, guys, and could break out at any moment. That's the thing. That it's kind of perturbing, right? It's kind of like how are we seem like we're red every day and bearish, but every single altcoin we look at for the most part is in a bullish structure. It's inexplicable. Even Swift Coin here, same thing. Look at this bullish encompassing candle today. Boom, complete recovery from yesterday's candle so far. Can we climb up above here is the question. Now, if you really kind of zoom out a little bit, especially if you go over to the 4-hour time frame, you do have the exact same thing happening here that you do over on Onyx Coin, right? You have the exact same thing happening here. You have another descending channel, and it's even more prominent down on the 4-hour time frame, right? I mean, it's a little more. There you go, right? I mean, it's but again, you also on the 4-hour time frame have this potential for this head and shoulders pattern to play out, right? Which means we could see a further dump to the downside here based on the 4-hour chart, but it's not really translating to the daily as much as you would think. What about the 8-hour? See the 8-hour, same thing, right? Got a head and shoulders pattern. Will it play out? I mean, listen, it could. We could come all the way. Here's the thing, guys. This could play out, and we could dump all the way down here and we would still be inside of this bullish structure. We could fall below a penny and still be inside of our bullish structure, right? I'm not saying we're going to. I'm just saying, that's entirely possible, right? So, yeah, something we're going to have to kind of pay some attention to, right? And let's go over to Bitcoin. What's happening there? Almost the exact same thing, guys. Look at another bullish encompassing candle here for Bitcoin for the most part, right? Every project is doing a complete 180 from the dump yesterday. That's why it was so important yesterday to be able to DCA and stuff your bags, right? So, look at this. Look at this complete and utter lack of volatility here for 5 days, and then it's picking up every single day. We're getting more and more volatility now all of a sudden. We dipped this morning all the way down to 94K. So yeah, I mean, we need a solid move to the upside here, though, guys. We need the bulls really got to step in here, and we need a break to the upside with some conviction, right? That's what I'd like to see. All right, what do we have? A little bit of Jasmy update here, visiting our friend Neo-Sun. He says, Junction is the result of combining Sony's technologies, Jasmy's infrastructure, and this AI specialized layer 2. Junction was originally born out of the necessity of Japanese companies for cutting-edge AI needs, such as creating custom language models and knowledge bases, while benefiting from all the security features offered by Jasmy. Absolutely, guys. Absolutely. Continuing on that note, check this out again from Neo-Sun. He says, the Japan Financial Services Agency has begun considering positioning crypto assets as financial products, just like securities. The Japanese government plans to announce its system reform policy in 2025. Big things coming, more adoption happening for crypto in Japan, you guys, which is absolutely huge. Now, listen, they've announced a bunch of new listings over on the swap on Bridgers today, but Swift Coin as well. They said, in case you missed it, Bridgers, our fully decentralized cross-chain swap protocol, now supports Bitcoin. Previously, BTC was only available through our semi-decentralized cross-chain swap service, but now, with Bridgers, you can swap Bitcoin in a truly decentralized way. Guys, I've been saying it for a long time that Swift's technology is going to be the future. Bridgers is going to be the future, the next generation of decentralized exchanges, in my opinion. People are going to start using these swaps. And you might ask me why. Well, quite simply put, because they are the most user-friendly way to onboard new retail investors into the space, right? Between that and people buying crypto through their banks, that is how we're going to see the onboarding of new retail investors. Because listen, not everybody wants to know how, or even can learn how to operate these decentralized exchanges like MetaMask and learning about slippage and all of this stuff. They don't want to. And they, at the end of the day, guys, listen, they shouldn't have to, right? It shouldn't be that difficult, right? Now, I understand we're coming out of a kind of like the Stone Age when it comes to crypto and technology, and it's getting easier and easier to start to on and off ramp fiat to crypto and stuff like that, which is fantastic. So this is a sign of the times changing, right? This is the next generation of decentralized swaps and dexes, in my opinion. So, and then following up finally with some Onyx Coin news here. Onyx tweets out, did you know that the XCN Ledger blockchain utilizes EIP 1559 to give XCN the burn mechanism? XCN is the layer 3 gas token. So there you go, guys. We are going to see this burn mechanism come into play. I'm super excited about it. I want to see how this plays out, how low we can get the supply. It's strange because there's only like 48 billion tokens, I believe, in existence, period. That's a max supply. And to turn on a burn mechanism for 48 billion, that's going to destroy the supply pretty quick, which is very, very good. I mean, if you look at something like Swift Coin, I mean, they only have like 10 billion max supply, right? So, I mean, can Onyx Coin get down to that level? That would be crazy. That would be crazy. You'd have to destroy 4/5 of the supply, or a little less than 4/5. But either way, guys, bullish news going forward. I'm excited about it. Hopefully, you guys are too. I'd like to see the burn mechanism, how it affects everything. So listen, guys, we dropped another phenomenal gem over on the Patreon last night, guys. Fantastic utility, fantastic tokenomics, fantastic everything, guys. The narrative is huge. This one's going to explode. I've been stocking up on it. I think I've DCA'd like 8 times in the last 18 hours or something like that. I'm super excited about this one too. This one's going to pop, guys. It's going to be huge. And you're going to be saying to yourself later, why didn't I get in early on this play? It's going to pop like Onyx Coin did, guys. I'm telling you, you got to get in on these plays early. So get over there. I did a surprise gem drop over on the Patreon last night. Get over there to find out what it is. We are accumulating en masse right now. We are getting ready for the pop, guys. Also, on top of that, we're live every single evening over on the Patreon. You don't want to miss our live group video calls. And on top of all of that, you can also schedule one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally. So get on over there, guys. We have a community of over 1,700 people. It's absolutely phenomenal. There's so many good people over there. The community is so helpful. We're teaching people right now about how to operate these DeFi wallets like Coinbase wallet and stuff, how to understand, how to find these gems on your wallets. It's a lot more difficult if you live in somewhere like the States. We're there to help you. How do you operate some of these DeFi wallets to be able to get in early on these plays, right? So check it out. Again, the link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one.